Hello, this is Sandro Forte, and today we're going to talk about centers of influence. We've covered referrals, we've covered advocate clients. Let's just talk about other professional people that have access to the kinds of clients and opportunities we want to develop. So typically, when I'm meeting a client for the first time, I should, if I'm doing my job properly, not just be asking lots of good questions and discovering whether or not there are other people within their family that I can help, because after all, there's a benefit to my new client potentially in providing a really holistic financial planning approach rather than just transactional work. But let's not overlook the fact that they probably at one time or another have worked with another professional person. Maybe a couple of years ago, they bought a property. They therefore work with a conveyancing lawyer. They recently renewed their will. Maybe they had some litigation issue, or unfortunately went through a divorce, or they are self-employed and they work with an accountant, or they recently renewed their home insurance and therefore have a general insurance broker. So there are lots of opportunities to discover these new clients that we're meeting with. In working with other professional people, I'm asking questions about them as well. What did you think about Steve Smith, the lawyer that you used to help you purchase your property 12 months ago? Thought he was really good. He's been working in our family for many years. He's helped several members of the family and the local community. He's got a good reputation. And so with that fact-find information, I can phone Steve Smith the following day and I can say, my name is Sandro Forte. I run a successful wealth management business. I was speaking with our mutual client, Joe Bloggs, yesterday. Joe speaks very highly of you. As someone who runs a successful financial planning business, I inevitably get lots of requests from new clients for an introduction to a lawyer to help them with a property purchase. Can I come and talk to you over a coffee maybe about introducing my clients? Now, the one thing I know about this new prospective center of influence is he's in exactly the same business as me. Not financial planning, but he's in the prospecting business. He's looking for new opportunity every day. Suddenly gets a phone call from another professional who's offering to introduce their clients to him. Now, of course, it's a genuine offer. I, from a holistic financial planning perspective, want to add a new dimension, another dimension to what I offer. Not just financial planning, but legal services and accountancy services and general insurance business and mortgages maybe if I don't already do them. And I genuinely want to sit down with this man or this lady and talk about introducing my clients. Now, I can make no promises as to how many I give and on what basis and how frequently, but one of the things that I know is that in a genuine attempt to add value to my clients, I am inevitably going to introduce clients from time to time. And as I build a relationship with this professional, they are going to introduce business to me. And where they don't, then of course, I might want to rethink whether I want to continue working with them, maybe speak to somebody else. And of course, lawyers in particular do different things. They all have different specialisms. So I can legitimately work with 2, 3, or even 4 lawyers in the same town, a couple of accountants geographically widespread, or perhaps one working very much on the personal side and one on the business side. So I can build a small group of professional introducers, centers of influence, to help add holistic value to my clients whilst also helping me to grow my business.